Is it too late to prune my pear tree since it has blooms on it? When should I have pruned them? This is Gloria in Memphis, Tennessee. So that's the question you like, right? About your pear tree.
Yeah.
You know,
it is not too late to prune when they're blooming. As a matter of fact, that is a good time to prune.
Good time. Okay.
You know, ideally, you probably would have pruned right before they started blooming, but pear trees start blooming so quick. You don't want to prune within 48 hours of a hard freeze. If a hard freeze is forecast, hold off of pruning. But yeah, during bloom is not a problem. Just be careful and don't let a honeybee sting you. Because you know, they're going to be buzzing around there probably if it's a warm day. But you know, it's time to do it.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.